want to get between 5 to 10% Portland cement
like
to stabilize the bricks. So that equals for every 15 shovels, 7 sand, 7 dirt with no clay, and 1 shovel of Portland cement.
Hey, beautiful.
The surrounding dirt looks just like this, so we know that they made this adobe with the surrounding dirt.
So they excavated the house's footprint and used the very debris for...
Yeah, and then normally you would want to use a machine, but Todd here doesn't have a machine, so we got to mix it by hand.
Here, plug Lefty in.
Wow.
Lefty's our set. And then to make the mortar, it's the same, only you take the rocks out, so it's a little better. And then this is white. This is lime wash.
More water.
Yeah, it's just
more water.
Yeah, but you can't use regular cement or stucco because it'll trap water inside of the walls. Should have get this.
You still got a little bit in there, Todd?
Yeah.
Scrape that up?
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.